Okay, tomorrow in our literacy lesson, we are going to have a look at writing a paragraph about the description of the shamal. Now, just a little reminder that a shamal is a storm, and it's a storm that could be set out at sea. Okay, we are going to have a go at writing tomorrow a description of the shamal. And I've written one here, but I'm not very happy with it. I think it could be so much more descriptive, so much more creative, and I could show so many things and so many skills that I have as a writer, which I haven't really bothered about in this paragraph. I'm going to read it to you, and you could pause this at any time and read it for yourself. Here we go. Suddenly, there was a shamal. The captain shouted at us all to perform our duties. The sky was really black. The waves that our boat was on grew bigger, and after a while, it felt like we were on a roller coaster ride. In my mind, I thought of all the dangers that could face us. I was not worried about the pearls we had gathered earlier. Okay, thinking time. If you could think of 2 or 3 ways that we could improve that paragraph, what ways, what things would you add, or what things would you change? You can pause now and have a little think. Okay, well, I had a think about some of the things that I tomorrow would like to try and get in and make it a little bit more creative. So I thought that in actual fact, there wasn't a lot of figurative language. For example, I could have put a metaphor, or maybe a simile, or maybe some personification. Perhaps I could link it to how I was feeling. And often, shamals and storms can provide a really good metaphor for how somebody is feeling. So it's a bit like a reflection. The storm reflects how you're feeling reflects the storm. Think about the storm as a bully. Another way I thought I could improve this paragraph is actually the whole feeling of panic. So the people are on board the ship in the middle of a storm. I want to really try to make the reader feel that they are panicked. So I could use some short sentences to make the reader feel panicked. But remember, if I am going to use short sentences, not to overdo it, not to go over the top and have every single sentence a short sentence. And a third way forward, I thought I started with telling everybody it was a shamal. I started by telling the reader it was a shamal. Maybe I could do a show don't tell and tease the reader and describe how the storm came across the little boat and then reveal at the end that it was a shamal. Anyway, I'd like to hear your ideas in the morning, and I will share some of my ways of being able to make this even better. Good luck, guys.